What's up everybody, eFishalots here. Sorry, I know it's been like forever since I've uploaded a video. Wow, look at that sexy shirt. Strong, resilient, indigenous. That's me. Anyways, this is going to be a little bit of a different type of video than what I normally put out. This is going to be pictures of the fish that I catch and the releases of them. This is the period from when my GoPro was down, and I have a new one, but before I can get the new stuff out, I got to get rid of all these catches that I've had stored on my phone for like months. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, leave comments. I love comments. Always reply back. For the release this beautiful little girl. Oh, without falling in. I'm gonna have to throw her, guys. Another slab gill. Look at that sucker. Corners tail. You gotta give the little one some love too, man. Right, little one? Dang. Oh, little guy. Like maybe a half an inch bigger than the last one. Myself a nice chunky chunk. Finally, it's been a minute. Nice and healthy.